Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be showing you all what I eat in a day. Ryan Little. To start off my morning, I normally drink some celery juice on an empty stomach before I eat any breakfast. Celery juice is great for detoxifying. In this particular batch, I believe I have celery, ginger, and lemon. If you watch my day in the lives, then you already know I love me some eggs in the morning. So right now I'm making egg whites. I take 3 eggs and I crack them, discard the yolk, and take the egg whites, obviously, and then I whisk it and everything like I would normally do regular eggs, and just throw it in a pot. I went ahead and steamed some spinach, and I'm just adding that to my plate. Sometimes I will mix the spinach into my egg mix, but in this case, I just wanted spinach as my side. And because today was a low carb day, I did go ahead and add a half a bagel and some peanut butter just to get in some carbs for the day. And I get my peanut butter from Aldi, one of my favorite stores. After applying the peanut butter to my bagel, I'm also adding some bananas. I love peanut butter and bananas. To get my source of vegetables for my day, I am drinking 1 cup of beets and carrot juice. And then I'm also taking my multivitamins, which you see in that little case right there. For lunch, I'm having this sweet kale chopped salad kit that I got from Aldi, another one of my favorite purchases from Aldi. It comes in handy. It's great to eat with salmon and whatever else, chicken, whatever you want. But for this day, I just had the salad alone with some water. It's very simple to make. It's like 3 easy steps and you're good to go. This particular salad comes with dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and poppy seed dressing. For a snack during the day, I normally drink a protein smoothie. I always try to work out every day or every other day, and after I work out, I normally drink a protein smoothie. In this smoothie, I added strawberries, bananas, spinach, almond milk, and of course, the protein powder. I didn't show the process of me making the smoothie only because I have the process of me making the smoothie in my day in the lives, so be sure to check out those videos. I'm not really a snack person because when I think of snacks, I think of unhealthy foods like chips and popcorn and all these different stuff, so I kind of stay away from those. But I do like the Sargento Balance Breaks. It has cashews, 2 different types of raisins, and cheese. I know I'm not supposed to be eating cheese, but I love cheese. I can't help it. It's a great snack. With all my meals, I typically drink water. I don't really drink juice unless it's the celery juice or the beet juice or orange juice when I'm drinking mimosas, but that's besides the point. For dinner, I had meal prep already ready, so I'm eating broccoli, or steamed broccoli, I should say, ground turkey, and jasmine rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys eat in a day. Thanks for watching. Peace.